One of the most frequently asked questions that we get is, how should I sit? How should I sleep? And the way that we explain it is to pretend like your baby has a lightsaber. That lightsaber is sticking out of your belly button and should either be level with the horizon or lower. You don't want to get caught in the nose with it. Boom. So we're going to pretend that she has her belly button and her lightsaber sticking straight out. We'll sit on the hips and then they'll point down towards the floor. The other way that we'll do this is if she's laying on her side at nighttime. What's the best way to sleep? Again, same rules apply. So when she's laying on her side, again, we'll pretend that that lightsaber is coming straight out of her belly button. It needs to be either level with the horizon or lower. So what she can do is straighten this bottom leg, bring the top leg up and forward, and then, boom, the lightsaber is pointing down towards the floor. Now, most moms will find it's extra comfortable to have a big pillow, like maybe a J or a U-shaped pillow that she can snuggle in with. That will also help support her hips, especially if her pubic bone is sore during her pregnancy. Here are a couple other tips for resting smart. One is to make sure that your hip bones are sitting up a little bit higher than your knees. What that allows you to do is to tilt your pelvis forward just slightly to make more room for baby. The other way to make more room in the pelvis is to bring the knees in just a little bit more than the hip width is. When you bring your knees in, what that does is it opens up the space in the pelvic floor by softening the pelvis. That again is all about making room for baby. So we have the three tips: your lightsaber, hips higher than your knees, and your knees in whenever you're sitting. That's the Rest Smart position.